Kazakhstan has outstripped Russia, Kyrgyzstan and Ukraine regarding the quality of roads. According to a recent report of the World Economic Forum published in February this year, the country takes 117th place out of 144 in the global rating of motor roads quality. Experts assess the quality of the road surface in Kazakhstan at 2.7 points out of 7. The infrastructure of local railroads has received quite high assessment. In this rating, Kazakhstan entered the world's top 30 countries with the most developed and high-quality communication lines, taking 29th place, leaving behind Russia. Switzerland, Japan and Hong Kong are in the top 3 leaders. The total length of motor roads in Kazakhstan is 128,000 kilometers, and for comparison, in Japan this figure exceeds 1 million kilometers.
Как вам известно, на ремонт и строительство автомобильных дорог.
As you know, this year the construction and repairs of roads in Kazakhstan received almost $2 billion. This money is allocated from local and national budgets, as well as invested by international organizations. All funds are used for the reconstruction of international, national and local roads. The main road project in Kazakhstan is the Western Europe-Western China International Transit Corridor, which will eventually become the main transport route in Central Asia. The project will serve 3 main transport routes, including China-Central Asia, China-Kazakhstan and China-Russia-Western Europe. The top priority directions are chosen for the roads with a greater intensity, traffic load and a great cargo turnover. As you know, at present the implementation of the Western Europe-Western China project is in the full swing in the territory of Russia and Kazakhstan. Presently about 1,500 kilometers out of 2,400 have already been commissioned. I hope that the project will be commissioned by 2015. The development of this project started in 2006, and at present the special attention is paid to its implementation. Since one part of the road has already been commissioned, at present the main concern is about the reconstruction of roads in the Kazakhstan part of the corridor. The cost of the project implemented in the territory of Kazakhstan alone is more than $6.5 billion. Kazakhstan has completed the construction of 1,625 kilometers of the Western Europe-Western China road. Moreover, next year the financing for the construction of the road will see an increase thanks to the local content, which is the main component of the project, and the country is currently witnessing an increase in prices. We are planning to increase the financing by 10%, and currently this issue is being discussed. We are attracting road building materials produced in Kazakhstan. In case of the deficit of such a material, we are using the material produced in the countries of the Customs Union. The turnover between the EU and the Asia-Pacific region is estimated at about 6 million containers annually. At present, 98% of this flow is carried by foreign ships through foreign ports, bypassing the territory of Kazakhstan. At the same time, a transit route from Asia-Pacific to Europe via Kazakhstan is much shorter than the sea route. The main competitive advantage of Kazakhstan is that the time of delivery is shorter with the same conditions of delivery. This predicts an inevitable increase in traffic in the China-Europe route and transit through Kazakhstan. Implementation of this project is underway in 4 regions. At present, the main emphasis is made on the Almaty-Horgos route. We are working ahead of the schedule. At present, the Kazakhstan content in this project is estimated at 100%, which means that all bridge constructions and materials are produced by Kazakhstan manufacturers. The potential of the logistics services market in Kazakhstan is about 10 to 11 billion $. However, it is not being used to its full capacity. The implementation of the Western Europe-Western China project provides an opportunity to attract investment and create new logistics centers. Experts believe that in a few years, cargo transportation in Kazakhstan will increase to 3.5 million tons. However, the commissioning of the reconstructed sections of the road requires additional funding from the state in order to provide services.